Hello everyone. This video is about a question asked by one of our viewers. The question was, are there possibilities that the hinges will break when we disassemble a laptop? Yes, there are chances that the hinges won't break, but the foundation to which the hinges are screwed in may break. The knurlings may break. So to overcome this problem, just follow the method I am going to show you. I request you to kindly watch the video till the end so that you will not miss any important points. Subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Hit the like icon and share the video. Open your laptop. Just turn it like this, upside down. Place it in this way on your table. Place the laptop in this way as shown here. And also see that here on this edge of the table there are no any sharp objects that may cause damage to the screen under this here. Okay. There are speakers on the back panel, bottom cover. Now as you can see here, this and these, here you see these two places, 1 and 2, these two hold the hinges in the place. So now as I have removed the screw, now if I try to close the LCD panel and reopen it, as only one screw is holding the hinges, what will happen is this holding the knurlings which hold these two screws, 1 and 2, these two screws will definitely break. So to avoid that, never close the lid unless and until you finish the repair job. This video is not only suits only for this particular model of laptop, but it is related to each and every laptop, whether the main board is fixed on the keyboard section or it is fixed on the bottom cover. Even if the mainboard is fixed on the bottom cover, what will happen is the hinges will be fixed here on the bottom cover, and when you disassemble the front keyboard, the whole screws that hold the hinges will be removed. Then there won't be much strength for the screws to hold the hinges together with the bottom cover. In this way, you have to do this method, follow this method for all models of laptops. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in carefully disassembling your laptop, disassembling and assembling your laptop and repairing it by your own. If this video was helpful for you and informative, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.